This morning, I'm not usually so pressed to be posting my day-to-day activities, but I've come to the realization that they will bring joy to people's homes. It will bring joy to people's hearts to kind of see my experience, man, what am I trying to say? But I realized that some people, whether it's just 2 or 3 people, would love to be able to see something even for a few minutes like what we experience here living in Ghana, living in Africa. So here we go.
Yo, I'm here at Accra Mall. It's the most popular mall in the capital city of Accra. On my way actually to go ball. And I don't really get to do it so much where I live at, so I gotta trek a little bit and take you on a ride. Maybe I go ride a trotro or something like that. Show you what that look like. Let's go. Free advertisement. Free advertisement. Okay, so I was about to go all the way down to the court, and I saw this fruit and vegetable place. Oh yeah, so Trotro was a little bit too public, so I'm gonna do a kata so you can see the town and see me riding around.
Yellow.
You say what? Okay, so we at Accra Polytechnic, one of the premier universities in Accra. The young students is still schooling, I think now. They're back to school, which is a good thing given the current times we're in. But hopefully they don't have no restrictions on me going to ball, because it's been a while and I love the ball and I'm getting fat, so I need to lose some weight and balling and running and dribbling and shooting is the way I get down. So let's see how that goes. Course is empty. Courts is empty and the nets is gone, but an open court is cool with me. Good bucket. Man, them boys put me to work. I'm out of shape. That's why I had to go ball, because I'm out of shape. Had fun. It's late. Time to go home. I'm back like good crack. Every time I come into place, all I hear is little kids running around scurrying like some rats. Huh? What? I see y'all. What?